Hey everybody, this is rosanamod, your vessel and host. Welcome to MouthyFox podcast. And today I'm going to show you really quick how to save a document from OpenOffice Writer into PDF without having to do anything else. I'm only doing this because I have been doing it wrong this whole time. I've been going to File and Save As, and that's not what you do. Forget Save As, okay? You go to File, so, oh my goodness, what's this? Let's say we want to save this magnificent message right here, which says MouthyFox podcast. Please subscribe, like, and share. No such thing as too much advertising, guys. Go into File, and then you click into Export as PDF. Leave this here where it says All, the range. Where it says Images, JPG compression, leave it. 90%, you leave it. And then General, Create PDF from. And then sometimes it'll say FDF or HTML, whatever. No, leave it as PDF. Just leave it as PDF. And then Export. Then you want to save it as MouthyFox Rocks, because it does. And save it. And you're done. You see how fast that was? You didn't have to do anything else. I've been doing it wrong this whole time. I've been doing File, Save As, and then I just go down here, and then for some reason, I don't know what the hell I do, but I leave it there, and all these drop-down choices here, Microsoft Word. I've been saving it like that and then having to go all the way around and go into a converter. So hope that saved you some time. You're welcome. Please subscribe, share, and like. I'm trying to get my numbers up. I've got some new followers and some new subscribers. So hey, everybody, thank you for supporting my page. I appreciate you. When I'm rich and famous, I will invite you over for coffee. That's what we'll do. Okay, talk to you soon. God bless you. And what do we say? We say ciao. Wow, you got a double hand. Oh, that's gross.